Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. It's a busy week next week. Let's get ready with our weekly market movers video preview, the trade room schedule, a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern time. What a busy week. Monday, no trade room, but we'll start at 7:30 p.m. just watching the Australia retail sales report. Tuesday, we're going to watch another report at 3 in the morning, Spanish flash CPI and GDP. We'll start with our first trade room of the week, Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. for CB Consumer Confidence and the JOLTS report, Family Money Trade. In the trade room again at 3:30 for Google, Microsoft, AMD earnings, and also the API crude oil report. Back at 7:15 for Australia CPI, a quarterly report, and then we'll finish up on Tuesday at 8:15 for the Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing report. Wednesday, we'll start at 7:15 in the morning. 4 events: Boeing's earnings, the ADP report, a new report we're just watching, the employment cost index, and Canada GDP, all 4 events at 7:15 in the morning. Then we'll be back for 3 events: Chicago PMI at 9:30, 2 of those, there's 2 different times for that trade, and crude oil inventories. Then we'll be back at 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday for the big FOMC statement, 3:45 to watch Qualcomm's earnings, and then 8:30 p.m. for the Chinese Caixin manufacturing report. Thursday morning, we'll be watching at 5 a.m. the European core CPI flash estimate. We'll be in the room at 6:45 for the Bank of England official bank rate, back at 8 a.m. for unemployment claims with preliminary non-farm productivity, and back for 3 events at 9:30 in the morning on Thursday: final manufacturing at 9:45, ISM manufacturing at 10, and natural gas storage at 10:30. Then we'll be back for Amazon, Meta, and Apple earnings. It'll be 3:30 for Amazon, 3:30 we'll be in the room for Meta, and then let me fix the time on this Apple event. That's right, I'm not redoing this video and I can fix the time. Off to the side, we'll be in the room back at 4 p.m. for Apple, which is a 4:30 trade. Apple earnings or a family money trade. So 3:30 in the room for Amazon, 3:30 in the room for Meta, and then back at 4 for Apple earnings. We may wind up staying because it seems like there may be a change in the earnings on Meta. It's looking like it may be a 4:15 trade. That'll keep us in the room with no break. So just if you're there for Amazon, you'll know what to do because we'll be in the room talking about it. Friday, our last 2 events, the non-farm payroll report, NFP, the U.S. jobs report. That's a family money trade if you trade the bonds. It's also our YouTube free stream of the week. And then we'll be back at 9:30 a.m. for revised University of Michigan consumer confidence. A very busy week. Also, don't forget our sale. We have a new pro membership. It'll be information in the email with a link so you could join up with us. Don't you want to trade all these earnings and all these events with us? I think you do. This is Lee Goldstein signing out. I'll see you soon on the inside. Take care.